Hi guys, welcome back to 13th Floor, and today we've got a snack surprise box, and this is November's box, and it's $24.99 with free shipping. Dan, where do you think it's from this year, month?
Germany.
Germany, eh?
100% Germany.
Now what have we had? Now let's look back at what we've
Australia.
had. We've never had an Australian snack box.
Like, in general?
No, I meant snack boxes. What was the country?
Had,
was it Holland? Is it Holland?
no, it's Austria last time.
Austria, and then we had another one.
India,
that's it. We quite liked them, so we thought we'd carry on with you. Yeah, everyone likes these, don't we? I'll have a look first, because...
No, you put the show then.
Yeah, but I'll have a look. I'll just have a little sneak.
No, that's how that works. What's that face for?
Shit, probably gonna have some fucking meatballs in there, aren't we? Sweden, guys.
It's home of Minecraft.
But Swedish chocolate man is supposed to be amazeballs.
That's Swiss chocolate, Dave.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Switzerland, shit. So Sweden's meatballs and that, isn't it? I like meatballs. Do you like meatballs?
I'm not a big fan of it.
It's spicy meatball!
Don't look inside that, that's the cheat sheet.
I'm not looking inside it. Oh look, different wrapper this time.
I hope we got Minecraft stuff in here.
Whoa! Shit. Straight off is a big bag of cheese bars.
Oh! Those cakes look nice.
Should we start off with them?
Which? Don't start with the cakes.
Stop calling me a witch!
Start with the...
Let's just start with these, yeah?
How do you pronounce that?
Size of these. Oh. Cheese balls. The cheesiest snack. Cheesy nacho.
Is that what I think it is? It's in there. Oh, you bet.
What,
no, actually, oh, bro. They're the milky thingies, too. Them.
Oh, there is a drink.
There. Oh, I got my feet eating them.
Ugh. That smells weird. Smell.
Like American cheese balls.
Oh, they're just cheesy. What's it?
Look like artificial cheese.
Oh.
Greasy like...
It's like cheese slices.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's like eating a McDonald's burger in a corn puff.
It's a bit...
It's a bit horrible. What? You're just giving us some...
It was like a what's it when it was first in. But then...
then McDonald's burger.
What is this childish behaviour?
But then the cheese is... It's like fucking...
Artificial cheese.
It's like
slices.
cheese slices. Like, not Labyrinth. That's a film. Lindam. Lindam or whatever that Lindam cheese shit.
Live?
Okay, let's move on.
Yeah. 4. Because
it's got some cornstarch to it. After you get a taste of it in your mouth, you're like...
I'll see you on in these, you little bastard. Should we go for these?
No.
No.
Eat them for last. I want these.
Well, let me get them, because... The hell are these?
Oh.
Villa Originals.
Everyone for these for ages.
Basically like little sharks.
I've seen them on Minecraft Live. I was going, some of them.
Little marshmallowy shark things or something.
They were featured on Minecraft Live, you know, this year. I saw them in little bowls, like what's some of them.
Alright.
But apparently they're supposed to be really good. They're like little
They're just like little marshmallowy things that we get. Sweet. Alright. Keep your hair on. Let me have one.
I love them.
6, they're alright.
Like drumstick these.
Yeah.
I love them.
Drumstick.
I love drumsticks.
I like drumsticks.
You mean the drumsticks?
Squishies, yeah, that's basically what they are.
6.
I'm getting them a 7 or a 10. Oh my god, they're fair.
A late bottle of 1874. Halloon soda. Medschmack Ochfag Fran Nutan.
Oh, he flew it in Swedish.
Swedish?
Ah! Be careful, it might go if you won't.
Probably like cherry aid, isn't it?
It's probably like
It looks like Iron Brew from over here.
It's
Probably
it
cherry,
orange?
or it's probably watermelon flavour.
Tastes like cherry. It's alright. I think it is cherry.
Cherry.
It's cherry, isn't it?
That's cherry.
Cherry.
It could be berry, you don't know.
Cherry. Any Swedish people out there that watch this? Tell us what this is. I think it's cherry.
That's probably berry. Raspberry.
Obviously,
That's
I can't speak
raspberry.
Swedish, but
I think it's raspberry. Raspberry aid.
cherry.
Raspberry aid.
I'd give that a 7. Quite tasty. I like cherry.
Mums.
No, you didn't rate it, Dan.
Oh, 8. I like that juice.
Okay.
Can we go? Yeah.
Lynch chips. Oh, sour cream and onion. My favourite.
They're like those sun bites, aren't they?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, sun bites. I don't know. I don't know.
Probably like little nuts or something. There's nuts at the back, look.
It's made out of nuts.
Yeah.
Took him a while to figure that out, didn't he?
You're not going to like this.
I will. I like anything. Look at him go, whoa! Stop eating them all, stop eating them.
Oh. They're really nice. This one,
No.
8 for me. Really tasty. A lot of flavour in there as well. I like them. What do you think?
Is that weird, man?
8. You were going to say 5 or 6.
There's the onion.
Oh, what? Is it too oniony?
7. Flavor and 6.
Now,
Just 7.
with taste of zoo, banana and milk chocolate, so got another
Oh,
sweetie.
not
That does
banana.
banana. We've got to try the banana, see what they've done. But these are called Pollies.
Come on,
Polly Zoo.
Sweden. You better
Polly wants a cracker.
Let's
hope
see if
Sweden
Polly
Sweden
wants
doesn't
can
one
do
of sweet
banana.
ass.
Come on, Sweden. Please be the top notch of banana. What are they?
There you go.
Banana. Hey, that's cheating. That wasn't banana.
It was. The hell are these?
The look of wonder on your faces.
It's like
Chewing gum, but with banana.
it's like chewing gum with marshmallow and then fruit. That's so.
There it is, but like banana, like.
Try that big turd.
Yeah.
It's weird. They're nice. Oh,
Take.
chocolate one's nice. Strange. Never had a sweet like that before.
It goes hard. Then you get your burst of your flavour, and then it goes into marshmallow, and then instantly goes into gum.
Yeah.
Is it chewing gum?
I don't know, but I'm chewing it like it's chewing gum.
Or did you swallow the other one?
Yeah.
Or strawberry.
You're supposed to swallow these, don't
I
you?
don't even know.
How the fuck can we tell?
His face anyway. Yeah.
I don't know. If it is chewing gum, then we're fucked. Still chewing it.
Well, does it say chewing gum on the packet?
Babe, I don't
Oh.
speak Swedish.
I forgot.
Fucking hell.
Are they like mini ice cream bites?
I don't know what they
Like
are.
the flavours of ice cream.
They're alright though.
Well, is it disappearing as you're chewing?
It is now.
Yeah.
Swallowed it.
Oh, well, it's not chewing gum.
Did I rate that?
I don't know.
I'd give it a 6.
Yeah.
Never had a sweet like that before. That's strange as hell. Right. Oh, damn. Had a little chocolate bar. Tarragona.
But, ooh.
Hazelnut chocolate, you little turd. I'm going to eat this. Oh, it's like a... There you go.
Why do I get like a little
In case I
scrap?
like it.
Yeah.
It's like a Yorkie.
That was good chocolate.
Hi guys, we're back. Just had to change battery.
Yeah.
We were talking about this chocolate, this hazelnut thing, right? And it's like a Yorkie bar.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's like a Yorkie bar with nuts.
It's nice, yeah.
Hold on. There's a Yorkie bar with raisin in there.
There's
It's like that, but with
there's a
hazelnut.
raisin one. Yeah.
But it's really nice. Did we rate it? I can't remember now.
No, we didn't. We got
7.
to the part where we said so.
7, 8. 7, 8.
7, 8-ish, yeah.
Yeah.
Around that. Anyway.
Right, I'll
Let's-
pick the next
let's
one
do the
since
carrots.
you always pick.
I haven't picked yet. You picked that
yet,
far.
Dave.
Pick something.
Shut up, you.
I knew you were going for that fucking thing.
If I guess, it's probably going to be honeycomb coated chocolate.
What's it called? Kex.
Called Kex. That sounds like that
games. Games. Oh, it is like a
wafer bar.
another bloody wafer.
It's a
we had about
wafer.
1 million in the other fucking the Turkish box. 1 million wafers.
Oh my god.
Not as nice as this one though.
It is.
Oh, shit.
That is actually really nice.
Davey, mum some. Mmm. Oh. You wouldn't have liked that though. 8. Really, that's really nice. Chocolate's really nice as well.
7. It
The
melts
Sweden
straight
better at the chocolate.
Yeah.
Mmm, really nice
And the
chocolate.
nuts and stuff, yeah.
Another from this place. Owl, dill and
Probably chive flavoured.
Grassalock? Chives, yeah, probably chives, yeah. So dill, no, you can't have dill and chives. So it'd be dill and cheese or something. Let's open and find out.
It's cheese and chive.
It doesn't say cheese or chive. It says
It's-
dill and grasslock. Grasslock.
Yeah, grass
Did you show them the front of the
be
packet?
chives. That'd be cheese.
I just said that.
Yeah, you said.
No, you said cheese and no chive and fucking dill. That's
No,
what you said.
no, I said it will be the top one will be cheddar, then the second thing at the end will be
Whoa,
what?
what a strange flavour. I quite like it.
So it's not cheese and chive then.
No. Dill.
That's gherkin.
It could be dill and gherkin or dill and pickle.
That's gherkin.
It is, isn't it? Something like that, dill and gherkin. Oh,
It'll be dill
That's
and,
it. Mackey's gherkin.
it'll be dill and pickle.
mmm. You don't like that?
I like Mackey's gherkin, but actually that flavour's a bit weird though.
I like that. I'd give that an 8. That's banging.
Well, you like pickles.
I do like pickle, yeah.
Pickle and gherkin.
Dill and gherkin, I've never even heard of that. But that's amazing.
That's a weird flavour of crisps.
I quite, yeah, 8 for me.
4.
Cleanse the palate. Right, we'll leave the crisps and we'll go for these little, I say little,
Nah,
Jesus Christ. Open them.
You tell them what they're called.
Mum.
Mum-mums.
Mum.
Mum.
Mum's speciality.
What, a turd in a box?
Show them what they look like.
She's
Like
probably
a turd in a box.
She's probably just whipped cream herself in a box. So that's why I went. That was so good.
I don't think I want to eat any of these now.
Oh well.
Right, let's try these. Turds in a box.
Oh no, wait.
They're out of case. Whoa!
They're
Oh, they're
cream.
just marshmallowy things. They're
I think they're cream.
delicate as fuck, though.
It's marshmallow. It's marshmallow.
With biscuit.
Wafer.
Yeah, it's like a Tunox.
I hate the way you say that word.
Whoa. I don't know. 5. Ugh, I don't know that creamy shit.
I think Daniel likes it. Give me a moment with this mum.
It's got a funny taste. That creamy stuff.
Okay.
I don't know, it's like buttercream or something.
Mm.
I don't know. 6. 5. Yeah, 5 or 6.
7.